Hi, it's Renee Adelman with Eichler for Sale, and I am so excited to share this sensational atrium model Eichler with you. Come take a tour and see all of the beautiful eye candy that it has to offer. Speaking of eye candy, check out this beautiful remodeled kitchen. Not only that, but the house has a foam roof, an enclosed atrium, and a beautifully remodeled primary bathroom. Check out all this extra space on the lot for a pool, a pickleball court, or an ADU. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this truly one-of-a-kind property. For more information or to see this property in person, please call 415 Eichler.